G'day, it's Phil from Piezo Precision Automotive. We just got another one, a Chev Silverado in. It's a Z71 V8 6.2 litre petrol. We're going to be doing a full Walkinshaw exhaust system on this one. I don't think you can see much in there. It's all down the bottom there. You see the old headers and stuff like that. Just wanted to do a bit of a noise test on this. So before and after, the standard, you want to walk around the back of it. The standard exhaust is on there now. I'll just start it up. You ready? That's it. Standard, a couple of revs. We'll go for a drive and have a listen to it inside. You can hardly hear it. Come. This is a start up. You wouldn't even know. Can't even hear it. And just quickly go up the road and back. So that's running. Big car. Down, and hear a bit more now. Pretty, like, you know, there's a V8 under there, but you can't really hear it very well. The new Walkinshaw full system, full tune system through it, you should hear a much better note, more of a rumble, something you can hear inside and outside a lot better. The other thing is you'll get better fuel economy as well with it, and more horsepower out of it also. So we'll give you a listen to what that is and a bit of a rundown on how we do it and what it looks like. Yeah. Okay. Walkinshaw. Here we have underneath the car. That's the headers, the original cast iron headers. Passenger side, driver's side. Massive. Look at that, squashed. Nothing of it. Just like far out. It's not even an inch wide. All squashed down. Big flexi. Huge cats on it, massive cats. All the way down through big. This is all the original system, yeah? So it comes down on the back. Couple of cannons out the back. The back down in here. We'll take care of all that. Yeah, let's have a look. How's it going down in there, Emma?
So good.
So good. Are they off? The header's off? One side. One side's off. Got the rest, but that's the standard exhaust there. Massive. Okay, so we've got the Chevy's exhaust completely off now. You see by the headers, even the headers, you've got tune length headers here now, just from your old standard cast iron headers. Good stuff. They've got heat shields and that around them as well. Fully ceramic coated inside and out. Perfectly tuned. Great. Good headers, good flow. Dog involved as well. You got your cats, the old big cats. They're half the size of these new high flow performance cats. How about this? So this isn't standard, mate. That's squashed. Like, really? Do you want me to measure it? It's that thick, including the pipe. You know, like there's nearly a foot of that squash. That'll be gone. That's now in a tuned pipe, full diameter pipe. Around here, it's got a slight little bend in it, but from that to the size of my hand. Full stainless steel through, high flow muffler, twin system out. That's your old muffler in there, whole system, but full stainless steel, Walkinshaw branding all the way through it. So we're going to put this on. Should make a big difference to both fuel economy and power. Performance much better, and a better, much better note, so you can actually hear the goddamn thing's got a V8 in it, yeah? So that's off, new one's going on, all the Walkinshaw stuff, yeah? Okay, so we're pretty close here. Got all the headers on now, and the heat shields and everything. Dumped down into the new cats. Look at this, it's perfectly fitting. That's where the squash part was. Stupid. It's all good, look at this, it's perfect. Look at the O2 sensor missing the rear one. Look at that. Fit up in there, heat shields on, beautiful. Rest of the exhaust coming down. Over here. And down to a twin outlet. In close. It's just down there fitting off the rest of it. Alright. Oh, at the back. Twin outlets. Without, beautiful. Okay, about to start this one up. She's ready to go, Emma? Fire up. Whoa. Woo! Give her a little rev. Oh yeah. Right, now you can hear it. That's good. Sounds good, yeah? Give a little tap. Sweet. Alright, so we'll run it outside. Alrighty, she's all done. Just driven it outside. Sweet, ready to go. Okay, Emma, start it up. Yeah, sounds good. You can give it a little rev. Go again. Burning off all the stuff. Let's go for a drive, yeah? Alright. You can certainly hear it now. That's windows up. Oh yeah. That sounds awesome. This is the Walkinshaw full system. And that's not even giving it any, yeah? So you now know you got a V8 under that bonnet. That's awesome. How good. Let's put windows down. That's nice, verbal, not resonating through the cabin or anything like that. That's awesome. That's got heaps more. You can feel it. Just down low, mid acceleration, just wants to get up and go. That's what you want to hear. Yeah, fuck. Smoky. All the smoke coming through? Yeah, smoke everywhere. It's just burning everything off, yeah. Whoa, fuck. Jesus Christ, it seems like it's got a hell of a lot more. It didn't do that before, it was just started wheel spinning. Anyway, that's the Walkinshaw full exhaust system. Mate, if you want yours to sound like a proper V8, and obviously it's picked up a lot of power there as well. Mate, she's awesome. Sounds good too. Sounds great. That's what you want? Yes. That's exactly what you want. Okay, that'll do it.